Want to know how to create and assign subtasks in teamwork.com? You're in the right place. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to break down your tasks and assign subtasks so your team stays organized and on top of everything. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share a way for you to use this software for free, plus some exclusive bonuses that'll make managing your team even easier. To start, let's jump into teamwork.com. It's one of the best project management tools around, perfect for keeping teams on track. Subtasks are a game changer when you need to break down bigger tasks into smaller, actionable pieces. This makes it much easier to delegate work and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. So how do you create subtasks in teamwork.com? It's super simple. First, find the task you want to break down. Click on the task, and inside the task details, you'll see an option to add a subtask. Click Add Subtask, and just like that, you've created a smaller, more manageable task under the main one. You can add as many subtasks as you need, making your workflow streamlined and organized. Each subtask can have its own due date, description, and priority. You can even attach files or comments to each subtask to keep everything in one place, which is a great way to keep your team members updated. Once your subtasks are created, assigning them is the next step. To do this, simply click on the subtask you want to assign, then click on the Assignee section. From there, you can select the team member who will handle that specific task. This ensures that everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for. And here's a cool tip. You can set up notifications for your team, so they'll be alerted when they've been assigned a subtask. That means no more missed updates or confusion about who's doing what. You can even prioritize subtasks in teamwork.com. When you assign a subtask, make sure to set the priority level, whether it's high, medium, or low. This helps your team focus on the most important tasks first. Now, if you're managing a big project with a lot of moving parts, teamwork.com has you covered. You can view subtasks right alongside the main tasks in your project overview, so you always have a clear picture of what's going on. If you're new to teamwork.com and want to get started, you can actually try out the software for free using the first link in the description below. Plus, if you sign up through that link, you'll get some exclusive bonuses to help you optimize your workflow even more. And that's how you create and assign subtasks in teamwork.com. As you can see, it's an efficient way to break down complex projects and make sure each part gets the attention it deserves. Don't forget, the link below gives you access to an exclusive free trial of teamwork.com so you can explore these features for yourself. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other content on how to get the most out of teamwork and other software. And remember, with subtasks, your team can stay organized and on track no matter how big the project is.